I fly above the green grassland. Wind is touching my small wings. The sky is wide like open sea. Clouds are moving slow and free. Sunlight falls on endless ground. Far away the river shines. My heart feels light and quiet, like I just left all behind. I am a bird in open sky, flying over endless land. Wind is singing through my wings. Clouds are resting in my hand. I fly across the golden line, through the quiet windy air. No place I need to return, only sky is always there. The sun is lying far away, golden light on river stream. Horses moving very slow, crossing fields of endless green. I feel my heart is floating, like the wind across the sky. All my worries stay behind, flying over and passing by. Some days I stay in silence, just watching clouds go. No need to ask or answer, just feel how wide the sky. I fly across the open space, through the wind and grass below. Sky is holding me so like a dream I used to know. I follow far and quiet wind, no direction I must go in this endless open land. I am free and I just flow.